Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. And as usual, we will analyze the Nifty Bank chart and will predict the important levels for the next week. Along with that, I will discuss some important update came in the last week from the SEBI board, and I will share all the information, all the news regarding this. So, to know the Nifty Bank level, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market update. So, फर्स्ट लेट्स डिस्कस द सेबी बोर्ड ने जो किया है द न्यूज रिगार्डिंग दिस एंड देन विल go for the nifty bank chart. We'll check the nifty bank chart. So this news came on Wednesday. SEBI board approves the changes to mutual fund and some stock brokers also. So वो changes क्या क्या है, I will share in short that SEBI on Wednesday cleared the wide रैंकिंग सेट ऑफ रिफॉर्म. मीन्स उन्होंने कई सारे रिफॉर्म किए हैं फॉर द म्यूचुअल फंड ऑल्सो एंड फॉर द स्टॉक ब्रोकर. ओके, एंड एम क्या था इसका, क्या पर्पज है? पर्पज इज ओनली दिस दैट सिंप्लीफाइंग द रूल, lowering the cost for the investors as the investor are paying the expense ratio to the mutual fund, वो सारी cost और taxes. ओके, तो ये सबको रिड्यूस करने के लिए फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ इन्वेस्टर they have done the SEBI has done all the reforms. So SEBI approved the replacement of the 3 decade old stock broker regulation. So ये this is happened since 30 years. तो 30 सालों में ये फर्स्ट रिफॉर्म है और ये सारे ओल्ड रेगुलेशन को उन्होंने अ, ठीक ठीक करने की एक कोशिश की है. सेबी has reduced expense ratio. Now they have named it like base expense ratio. So ये एक बेस एक्सपेंस रेशियो उन्होंने दिया है जो कि म्यूचुअल फंड को चार्ज करना है. द फंड मैनेजर, व्हेन यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन म्यूचुअल फंड, देयर आर सम fund managers are allocated. So those fund managers are charging some expense ratio for their work. So for that expense ratio is now reduced in the benefit of the investors. So now the investor has to pay less expense ratio. Suppose if earlier you were paying 1% expense ratio, now you might pay lesser than that, 0.9, 0.8. So this amount has been reduced, the expense ratio. So definitely whatever you were getting, जो तुम आपका कॉस्ट है, दैट इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी रिड्यूस्ड. तो एक्सपेंस रेशियो इज रिड्यूस्ड नाउ, and that means mutual fund will charge now less expense ratio, and clarified that statutory level and such as GST, stamp duty, STT, but the transaction tax will now be charged separately on actual. तो जो भी एक्चुअल ट्रेडिंग या इन्वेस्टिंग जो भी एक्चुअल होगी उसके ऊपर ही ये सारे टैक्सेस लगेंगे. तो टैक्सेस भी अलग से शो भी किए जाएंगे. बेस एक्सपेंस रेशियो लिमिट्स अक्रॉस इक्विटी, डेट, इंडेक्स फंड, इन सब चीज़ों पे जो ईटीएफ्स, गोल्ड ईटीएफ, सिल्वर ईटीएफ, तो ये सब इन सब चीज़ों में एक्सपेंस रेशियो का लिमिट भी कम हुआ है. दे हैव बीन रिड्यूस्ड एज असिस्ट अंडर मैनेजमेंट राइस. तो जैसे जैसे AUM असिस्ट अंडर मैनेजमेंट के हिसाब से वो एक्सपेंस रेशियो भी रिड्यूस होता जाएगा. तो असिस्ट अंडर मैनेजमेंट जितना ज़्यादा होता है, तो दैट इज द बिगर म्यूचुअल फंड हाउस. सो उसके हिसाब से दे विल चार्ज द एक्सपेंस रेशियो. जैसे जैसे AUM कम होगा, द एक्सपेंस रेशियो विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. सो दिस इज द शॉर्ट पिक्चर, शॉर्ट information I can share about the SEBI new reform. यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो थ्रू इन डिटेल कि क्या क्या चेंजेस किस किस चीज़ में हुए हैं, कितने कितने एक्सपेंस रेशियो अलग अलग रिड्यूस हुए हैं. दैट यू कैन डेफिनेटली go through in detail and read all these things, because here I can share in short only. So this was a good news for the mutual fund house also, means for the mutual AMCs companies के लिए भी this is the good news, and definitely for the investor also this is going to give them some extra profit, definitely for sure. So दोनों ही parties के लिए this happens was very good. So because of that, mutual AMC's company has rallied on Friday because of earlier they were like scaring the mutual fund houses companies, HDFC AMC है वो सारे कि like this expense ratio ज़्यादा reduce नहीं हो जाए, but उन्होंने they have they have balanced everything. CB has balanced everything, and the both parties are happy, and investors also happy with this decision, this reforms. So this is the important update coming from the last week, important news. Now let's check the Nifty Bank chart. What was all happening in last week? Then we'll predict some important levels. So I have drawn this trend line today in on the daily chart. I'm talking short term for the next week only, and I have drawn this trend line and this horizontal line which is making a triangle pattern, descending triangle I can say, yes, descending triangle pattern. And you can see and learn this pattern and the important scenario for the next week. So this trend line, you can see here, it was all time high which was 60,100 around. वहां से जाके निफ्टी बैंक started falling, reach to this 20 EMA, 20 exponential moving average level. यहाँ से again a good reversal in one day only, and it was very good candle. You can see the Marabuzu candle I call it, the Marabuzo candle. It has made it on this day, we can say on 5th December, and then again it has started falling. So you can see here again it has almost taken the support of the 20 EMA, not broken this, closed above this, and then from here again taking the support of the 20 EMA, and then from here touch the line, this trend line which I have made today. So this trend line again given the resistance, okay, again from here it has started falling, and this time it has broken this 20 EMA level. You can see here this candle broken, even close below that, and from next day it has even could not uh, go beyond this 20 EMA and close below that. Next day, yes, this day on Thursday, definitely it has taken a support on this level which was earlier a good support also. You can see here, which I can say ये वाली इतनी अच्छी candle है. So you can see here it has taken a support, okay, Nifty Bank. Before that the same line you can say here and then here, and it was also a good support. From here it has given the breakout, you can see here. So this line, what is the level? This level is 58,700 roughly I can say, according to this candle. But yes, from 700 to 600 भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी इसने एक यहाँ पे भी एक रेजिस्टेंस लिया है ऑफ 58,600 अराउंड का. यहाँ पे भी यू कैन सी 58,500 यहाँ पे भी. तो यहाँ पे इसने यहाँ पे कई बार 58,600 के अराउंड इसने रेजिस्टेंस लिया था, एंड हियर इट हैज ब्रोकन दिस 58,600 resistance and went beyond of this trend line. So overall I have drawn this line which is from according to current level, which is 58,700 I can say. But याद रखना 58,700 से 58,600 का एक important very very crucial support is there. So be mindful with this 58,600 to 58,700, okay. But last Friday what happened, you can see no movement happened. यहीं पे 20 EMA पे ही इसने लिया support. It has taken support almost on 20 ma, and even did not go upside, did not go downside, just closed on the same level on the 20 ma. So we can say, I don't know what is going to happen. It is going upside and breaking this trend line and then going to the all-time high, which is 60,100, or it is breaking again the 20 ma and going to the support of 58,700. These two option, these two probability is definitely imminent for the next week. दोनों में ये कुछ भी कर सकता है. It may go above, can take resistance here, or it may go downside, can take support here. Short term I am talking, definitely not talking about long term, only means for next week. और अगर ये सपोर्ट ले लिया इसने 58,600 से 700, so then it may again take a reversal and go to the resistance of this trend line. So I have discussed all the probability of going to the all time high also, going to the support also. दोनों probabilities है, दोनों चीज़ें हो सकती हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन द न्यूज एंड ऑल. और ये ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक करना वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द निफ्टी बैंक टू गो टू द न्यू द ओल्ड ऑल टाइम हाई फर्स्ट, देन आगे न्यू की बात करेंगे. बट अभी तो इसको 60,100 ही पहले तोड़ना पड़ेगा. सो आई कैन से like overall, the important support will be the 58,700, and important resistance if we say यहाँ पे अगर देखें तो ये बहुत ही नियर है, and that is 59,200, I can say roughly. We need to watch what Nifty Bank is doing next week. So please very closely watch this scenario which I am discussing. This range I show 58,700 to 59,200 is very important. And before that, this 20 ma of this Nifty Bank 59,000. 59,000 का एक साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट भी है. यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पे भी इसने कई बार यहाँ पे 59,900 के अराउंड लिया हुआ है. सब 58,900 के अराउंड भी इसने एक सपोर्ट लिया है. तो ये भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट बन जाता है 58,900 टू 59,000, जो कि साइकोलॉजिकल है. बट इसको वो करने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी इट इज़ जस्ट ऑन द सेम 59,000 के अराउंड पे. अगर मैं देखूँ तो एग्जैक्टली 58,900 का इसने लो लगाया था ऑन फ्राइडे एंड क्लोज्ड above the 59,000. So this is a good sign that it has closed above the 59,000, touched the low of 58,900, which I am discussing is again a good support, one support also, this 58,900. और हाई तो इसका 59,140 है, ये जो कि मैं बोल ही रही हूँ कि 59,200 के अराउंड इसको एक रेजिस्टेंस मिलने ही वाला है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट situation which I am discussing. Please give your proper attention to understand this scenario for the next week, and watch this scenario very closely for the next week. सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस तो मैं बता ही दूंगी, बट ये सिनारियो देखना इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द सेबी रिफॉर्म, सेबी अप्रूवल फॉर द चेंजेस इन म्यूचुअल फंड एंड स्टॉक ब्रोकर रूल्स, and I have analyzed the Nifty Bank chart in detail and mentioned the important level also. Nifty Bank important support 58,700 after 58,900, and important resistance is 59,200. Breaking 59,200, definitely it will take at good level at least all time high of 60,100, but only after breaking 59,200. So like and share the video and watch Sunday video also for the Nifty 50 levels and the global market update, silver and gold prices prediction also, and yes, of course, USD INR analysis. I'm going to do again because the INR is just Indian rupees is just trading at its lowest level.